What kind of birds do this? Okay, all right. Okay, you can do this. I don't get it. What are you doing, man? What is this? Okay, are you done? Are you done? You're not done. Okay, all right, keep going. I'm just gonna sit here while you do whatever you gotta do. Just let me know when you're done, okay? You're gonna just hang on my shirt? All right. Oh my God. All right. Okay, cool. Let me know when you're done, please. It's time for bed now. Okay, are we, you gonna eat the string now? All right. I think you've, overstayed your welcome on my shirt. All right. So let's go back up now, okay? Come on. Come on. That's enough. That's enough now. You had enough fun. Oh, yes. All right. Coming back now? No, you can't go in my shirt. You can't go in my shirt. No. No. Someone told me these Caiques were really weird birds, but I never imagined this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. I mean, this is next level. All right. Good stuff. How about we go back in your cage now? Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay. Wow. For anybody that's interested in getting a Caique, this is pretty much what it's like. I've had this bird for about 5 months now, and this is what they do. They do this thing called surfing around your clothes, and they seem to enjoy this a lot. He hasn't done this for a while. This is like really weird now. He's like overdoing it. I have no idea what he's trying to do. Very cool. It's time for bed now. Okay. All right. Hubert, I think we're done. It's time for bed, okay? All right. Are you ready for bed? Yeah? Are you ready for bed? Are you ready for bed now? Huh? You gonna hang around here all night? Just doing nonsense on my shirt? Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right. Oh my God. Okay. Hubert, that tickles. Stop. Okay, that's enough. I think you've had enough now. Okay? Time to go. Time to go now, okay? Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Time to go to bed. Say bye-bye. Let's go.